Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about kit float switch for Ice-O-matic part #1051224-01. The kit float switch for Ice-O-matic part #1051224-01 is a replacement part for Ice-O-matic ice machines. It is a float switch that helps to regulate the water level in the machine. The float switch works by sensing the water level in the machine and turning off the water supply when it reaches a certain level. This helps to prevent flooding and other problems associated with overfilling. The kit includes the float switch, mounting bracket, screws, and instructions for installation. This part is designed to fit all Ice-O-matic models and can be used as a. This part fixes the following symptoms. This float switch is designed to replace a faulty or worn-out float switch in an Ice-O-matic ice machine. It helps to ensure that the machine is operating correctly and prevents it from overfilling with water. It also helps to prevent the machine from running when there is no water in the reservoir. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the Ice-O-matic machine. 2. Remove the front panel of the machine and locate the float switch. 3. Disconnect the wires from the existing float switch and remove it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install the new kit float switch for Ice-O-matic part #1051224-01 in place of the old one, making sure to secure it with its mounting bracket. 5. Connect the wires to their respective terminals on the new float switch, making sure that they are properly secured and insulated with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing if necessary. 6. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.